Winter has just got over, spring has started, and if you're planning to grow vegetables in your kitchen garden this summer, then this is the perfect time. Today we'll talk about few vegetables that you can grow from seeds now in spring. Also we'll discuss how to prepare their potting mix. Let's get started. So these are few summer vegetable seeds that anybody can grow with minimal effort in garden or even in big size pots and containers. So here comes the first summer vegetable that grows in abundance, Bottlegourd. Sow the seeds now and trail the creeper with some net or support, and they'll start fruiting in about 2.5 months. It's a creeper variety, it's a vine, and grow them in full sunlight area only, otherwise they won't produce flowers and fruits. I have a detailed video on this plant right from sowing seeds till harvesting, and I have shared all the details about this vegetables. I have shared the link in the description box. Please do check it. Next vegetable that can be easily grown from its seed is chili. You can take dried chilies from your kitchen as well and sprinkle their seeds. Remember, they need full sunlight only to fruit. I have a detailed video on growing chilies right from sowing seeds till harvesting. It's an ideal vegetable to grow for beginners in vegetable gardening, and it takes just about 1.5 to 2 months to produce chilies after sowing seeds. Coming to the next summer vegetable, which is very easy to grow, is Bhindi or Okra. They love full sunlight only, and they get ready to harvest within 45 to 60 days after sowing seeds. Do check out its detailed video to know more about it. I have shared the link in the description box. Another vegetable that even kids can grow very easily is corn, which can be grown in pots and garden both. It needs full sunlight and gets ready to harvest in 2 to 3 months only after sowing seeds. It's a very light feeder, and each plant produces about 2 to 3 corn cobs. I have detailed video on this. I have shown how to grow them in pots and containers as well as in garden. Links are there in the description box. Please do check it. Next summer vegetable is cucumber. Sow their seeds now and they'll get ready to harvest in about 2.5 months to 3 months. They are also a vine, a creeper, and they need some support to climb up. They need full sunlight only to produce fruits. Next vegetable seed that you can sow now for summer is sponge gourd or ridge gourd. Like any other gourds, they also need support to climb and full sunlight, and they are ready to harvest in about 2 to 2.5 months after sowing seeds. Next in the list is Bittergourd. You can grow them from ripened store-bought Bittergourd seeds as well, and they also like some support to climb, and they get ready to harvest in about 2 months. They also need full sunlight. The last vegetable in the list is pumpkin. You can grow them from the store-bought pumpkins also. Take out the seed from the pumpkin and sow them. It takes about 2.5 to 3 months to produce fruits after sowing seeds, and they need full sunlight and support to climb like any other gourds. Now let's talk about how to prepare good potting soil for growing vegetable. You will need 50% garden soil. Choose whatever variety is available in your area. Like in southern India, we get red soil. In other parts of India, you may get black soil or sandy soil. So choose anything except clay, as clay is only used for aquatic plants. So here I am taking soil from an empty pot which already had some compost and other things. So first and very important ingredient is 50% garden soil. Then we'll take 25% coco peat. It has two important functions. It holds moisture for longer, keeping the potting soil moist so that you don't have to water your plants frequently. It's lightweight, hence it helps in making the potting soil soft, fluffy and airy, and the pot lightweight. Now the third thing we'll need is 25% compost. It's highly recommended to mix compost in potting soil at this stage. You can choose anything, be it cow dung manure or vermicompost. So this is the basic preparation for your vegetable garden potting soil. However, if you're planning to grow any root vegetables like radish, carrot, potato, sweet potato, etc., then mixing some river sand to it will make it more porous and well drained. Now comes one more ingredient which is optional, which is neem powder. This acts as natural pest repellent. Alternative to this, you can use dried crushed neem leaves as well. If you find any neem tree around your house, get its leaves sun dried, crush it a little and mix it in the potting soil. Now let's see how to sow vegetable seeds. So I will sow the seed in a small pot. I am filling this potting soil into it. Now make a half to 1 inch deep hole using your finger and insert the seed into it. Water it well and keep the pot in full sunlight. And within a week you will see it will start sprouting. And in about 3 weeks it will grow its true leaves. True leaves means the leaves by which you can recognize the plant. Once it develops about 3 to 4 healthy leaves, shift it to the garden or in a big size tub or pot. I hope you liked today's video. There are a few more vegetables that you can grow from seeds almost around the year with minimal effort. I have mentioned all the names in the description box. You can check it. So that's all for today, guys. Grow your vegetables this summer and share your experience with me. See you soon. Bye-bye.